Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial on Kirchhoff voltage law. We are still going to be considering this topic today. We've treated it earlier. If you've not watched that video, please go back and watch the part 1 of this tutorial. In the part 1 of the tutorial, we assume that current flows from the positive end of the source to the negative end. So we assume that the current was flowing in this direction, which is the same thing as saying current was flowing in this direction. So what happens if we assume that the current is now flowing in this direction? Current is now flowing this way. What happens? Will the Kirchhoff voltage law still hold? Will it be valid? Let's see. Now, if we assume that the current is moving in opposite direction, and we take our first sign, which is this. So assuming that we are moving in this way, taking this our first point of contact. The first sign here is positive, so we have Vs. Coming here, the first point is negative minus V3. Coming here, the first point is negative, so we have minus V2. Coming here, the first point is negative, so we have minus V1 equals to 0. What if we take the second sign? This is our second sign, which is minus. So we can say minus Vs coming here plus V3. The second sign is plus V2. The second sign here is plus V1 equals to 0, which is the same thing as saying V1 plus V2 plus V3 minus Vs equals to 0. So it doesn't really matter the direction of the current. The answer will still be the same.